Welcome. For today's tutorial, we're going to discuss how to view your timesheet on the mobile app and how to request time off and see your PTO banks. Once you've downloaded the app, make sure you have the server URL that's been given to you. This is not case sensitive, so you can use capital letters if you like. Same with the company code, it's not case sensitive. You'll enter your badge ID or card ID and the PIN. Once you've got that entered, you'll click login. That brings you to the dashboard. If you don't clock in or out through your mobile app and you're just using it for the PTO, then you won't see anything on this page. Up here, you're going to use the three dashes and click on that to get to your other options. We have our timesheet. We'll click on the timesheet. I'll be able to see what I've worked each day and what the totals were for my pay period. I can go back and look at previous pay periods as well to see what I worked then and my totals for those as well. Back to the menu, click on that and select PTO requests. If I want to see what I have in my banks, I can click on bank, and this gives me what my current balance is. Now, if I have requests that are pending and have not been approved or denied, then the ones that are pending, the balance will not be deducted. When I click on the requests, I can see what's approved, I can see what's pending, what's been denied. If the item is still pending, I can edit or delete it. So I simply slide to the right, I have the ability to edit. I slide to the left, and I have the ability to delete it. Once it is approved or denied, I can no longer edit or delete the particular request that I have entered. I would have to see my supervisor and have them go in and revert it in order to take it off of my timesheet. To request a day off, you're going to click the plus in the upper right. We're going to enter the date that we want. I'll just go into next month, do the 13th. Now, I can't put anything in the start time or anything in the bank until or anything in the hours until I select a particular bank. So I'll select my comp time, and now I could enter hours and a note. We've got the all day up here. What that does when this is checked is it just prevents you from having to put in a start time. But if I'm only taking a half a day off on this day for whatever reason, I want to uncheck all day. That enables me to select a time. And maybe I'm going to be off at 12. And it's only going to be 4 hours. And just leave a note. And then I want to generate the request. I've got an opportunity to view what I've just added in to make sure that that's okay. And I click confirm. Now I can see the pending request. Maybe I decide I don't want that, I can delete it. Are you sure? Yes. That deletes the request. Go up and add new. Go back and choose the date. I'll leave all day checked. Again, I can't select anything here other than my note until I choose a bank. Click on comp time again. I've got the most time in there. Put in my 8 hours. my note to the supervisor, and then generate, review it, and confirm it. And this will go off to my supervisor for them to evaluate and either approve or deny. And that covers everything in requesting PTO and viewing the timesheets. Thank you for watching.